Dear students, today we have to discuss about reaction between metals and non-metals. Already we discussed about the physical properties of metals and non-metals. Today we have to discuss how they are reacting with each other. Reactivity of elements has a tendency to attain completely filled valence shell. What type of the elements are there? They have the tendency. Tendency means character. The character they have. What is the character means? To attain completely filled valence shell. Completely filled means all type of the shells when we are writing the configuration. All type of the shells we are seeing it. In the shell, if the electrons are present, 8 means that is called as a completely filled shell, like that we will going to call. So like that all the elements have that character to become the 8 electrons in its outermost shell. For example, now we have to discuss about the example of the, that is metals and non-metals, how they are reacting with each other. In that, first one, formation of NaCl. How the NaCl will go into formation of NaCl means sodium chloride. Table salt, like that we will going to call. The sodium has electron in its outermost shell is 1. When we are writing the configuration of the sodium chloride, 2 elements are there. When we are writing the configuration of the sodium, that is electronic configuration 281. 281. This is the configuration of the sodium. Means in the outermost shell, 1 electron is remained. That has to take 7 electrons. Otherwise, that has to leave 1 electron to become the completely filled shell. Completely filled shell means 8 electrons should be there. So, the sodium has the 1 electron in its outermost shell. If it loses the electron from the M shell, the L shell becomes the outermost shell and has stable octet. What type of the, this is shell, the K shell, like that we will going to call, and this is the L shell and this is the M shell. Suppose 1 electron is removed from the M shell, means this will going to become outermost shell and this is the completely filled, like that we will going to understand. And here, if the 1 electron leave means to which one that will go into mix with that one, mix with the other element, that one we have to go through. There is net positive charge giving sodium cation, that is Na+. This is always giving the 1 electron to the other element. This is not taking the 7 electrons, 1 electron remaining, no, always this will going to give the 1 electron. So we can going to write this is giving the electron to the other. So we can going to write Na+, means electron donor. Next, the chlorine has the 7 electrons at their outermost shell. To become octet, 1 electron we need. Now I will going to write a configuration of the chlorine. How much this will going to happen means 287. 287. To become the completely filled shell, this need 1 electron. So how can we going to write this one? Cl minus. This is electron acceptor. For that purpose, Cl minus, like that we will going to call. When the sodium combined with the chlorine, at that time the sodium outermost shell is have the only 1 electron and the chlorine have the 7 electrons in the outermost shell. 7 electrons in the outermost shell. 7 electrons, and this sodium 1 electron will go into donate to the chlorine. When this will going to donate to the chlorine, chlorine will going to become the completely filled shell in the outermost shell, and the sodium also will going to become completely filled, because sodium have the one electron. This will going to donate to the chlorine. Now the 7 electrons are present in the chlorine will going to become 8. So this is also become the completely filled, and this is also will going to become completely filled. Like this, the electrons will going to share between the sodium and chlorine. It should be noted that NaCl does not exist as a molecule. Here the sodium chloride, NaCl, like that we will going to call this is the NaCl. This is not a molecule. This one we have to call as a ionic compound. Why we have to call the ionic compound? Because the electrons will go into share from the one element to the another element. For that purpose, we have to call this one as a ionic compound, not a molecule. This is one of the concept. And again they are explaining about the formation of the NaCl. The compounds formed by transfer of the electrons from metal to non-metal is called ionic compound. Very important one more question, that is ionic compounds. What are ionic compounds means? You have to write like this: compounds formed by transfer of the electrons. What type of the electrons are transferred? One electron is transferred to the chlorine, no? Like that, if the any type of the compounds in that compounds, any elements are shared the one electron or two electron or any type of the electrons from the one element to the another element, from the one metal to the another one non-metal, like that, if they are transferred means that type of the compounds are called ionic compounds. And NaCl is oppositely charged, attract each other, helped by the electrostatic force of attraction. The NaCl is there, no, this will positively charged, like that we will going to call, and attract each other. Sodium will going to attract with the chlorine, and they will going to help by the electrostatic force of attraction. How they will going to attract with each other means by the one of the force of attraction, there is an electrostatic force of attraction. Up here we discussed about the reaction between the metals and non-metals.